Hello everyone, Tien here. Today I'm going to show you how to curl or wave your hair with a straightener. So you're going to start off with parting your hair. I part my hair on my right. Whatever you do at home, you can part in the middle or to the side, wherever you feel more comfortable. You can part it wherever you want because everyone's part is different. My first section is going to be from the ears to the neck. So from the top of your ears to the neck. And I'm going to use a clip to clip it in place. You can use an elastic or something else to separate the hair from your section. I'm going to take this much section. You can take smaller sections if you want to make it more curly, or you can take bigger sections to make the curls or waves to be more loose. I'm gonna do medium. Turn on your straightener no more than 290, and you're gonna take your section. I'm gonna have the straightener's plates facing downwards. Clamp the hair, but don't clamp it too tight, or else you'll leave a kink in the actual hair. Clamp the hair. Don't clamp it too tight. I'm gonna turn it once, and I'm gonna slide it down. So see how it's a little bit too rounded and too curly on the ends? I'm just gonna smooth it out a little bit. That way it'll make your hair a little bit more wavy. I'm gonna move on the other side. It's gonna be tricky because it's the opposite side. So what you're gonna do is have your plates face downwards. You're gonna clamp the hair, and then you're gonna turn it once. Make sure every section on your right or on your left, curl your hair or turn the straightener away from the face. Once you're done with your section, you're going to take an elastic. You're just going to tie your curl pieces just so that you can put the next section down. I'm going to go ahead and put down this second section. I'm doing it from my eyebrows and down. I'm going to just repeat what I did on the first. So I'm going to take two sections now. Separate the other one. So you want to curl it away from the face again. Curl it, you want to kind of leave 2 inches away from your scalp. So now I'm going to use a brush to brush up my hair. And I'm going to use a serum, just like 1 pump. And if you think like some strands are a little bit too curly, you can take the straightener and kind of run through it. Or you can use the brush to kind of brush it out a little bit more so it's not so clamping together.
And this is how I use a straightener to wave my hair. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow me on Instagram at HairbyTien. And thanks for watching again. Bye!